I'm a hustler, baby. Hustler. I just want you to know. Let you know. It ain't where I've been. But where I'm about to go. Top of the world now. I just wanna love you. But be who I am. Know you love me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on AfricanMall Hair Company, and they sent me a 24-inch Jerry curly lace front wig. Now this would be like a part 1 and part 2 video. In this video I will just install this wig and show you how it looks straight, but stay tuned for part 2 with me actually cutting this wig into a asymmetrical bob cut. And now this is their lace front wig, and this Jerry curly pattern is extremely pretty. This wig was extremely soft, and I love how full it is, even though it's a lace front. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This wig will be installed using the Gold Spawn lace glue, my go-to glue. And what I'm going to do differently in this video is I'm actually going to cut off the lace first, and I'm going to glue this wig on section by section, doing my middle first and then working on my side. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and thank you for watching. So before applying a wig, you want to always make sure that you do clean your hairline off with alcohol. Another alternative that I heard through the grapevine, but I have to see how true it is, they say you can actually use the estrogen in called Sea Breeze. So they say either one should be fine, but I will actually review if the Sea Breeze will work and see if my lace will stick. But you do want to make sure that you are using 91% or stronger alcohol. If you're looking for 99%, which what I use all the time, you can purchase Swan's 99% alcohol, and it should be at your local beauty supply hair store. Now I did not crop this part of the video off because I wanted you to see why I love Gold Spawn glue so much, because it is very beginner friendly, especially like how I placed my lace down. I didn't like where it was. I was able to pick it right back up and place it where I wanted it to be without the messy, stretchy white residue mess or clumps underneath my lace. So I would recommend for all beginners to use the Gold Spawn lace glue for that specific reason. Usually when you're a beginner, you will make a lot of mistakes, place your lace in the wrong spot or anything like that. So to be able to lift that lace right on up without any extra mess is like why you need to use Gold Spawn. So that was just a little thing I wanted to show you guys. Like, we're all human, we all make mistakes. Sometimes you gotta do it twice to get it right. But yes, it's always thumbs up to my Gold Spawn. So I will continue to go piece by piece for this install. And then once I do that, I would just style this simply as like a side part. And keep in mind, this is a lace front, so the side only parts back about 2 inches, so it would not be like a long part. However, it can still be cute in the end. And also, that's why I also did in part 2 the asymmetrical bob cut with this wig, because it still can be like perfect for, you know, a side part look, even though it's not a full lace. So I wanted to show you, you know, different things you can do, because most people, you get a lace front, you only want to wear a middle part. But that's why I decided to do 2 side part videos for this Jerry curly wig. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as well as the part 2, which will be the actual asymmetrical cut of this hair. So check that video out as well after you're finished watching this one. So now I'm going to go ahead and part off my side part. Like I said, this is a lace front, so it does not part back that far, but you still want to make a part towards the back too, to cover up the tracks in the back. And after I do that, I am going to saturate my hair with water and conditioner. And I just really do love the fullness of this wig. Like, whether you're going for a dry full look, this will be perfect. Whether you want like a wet look and it's still full, this wig is perfect for that. And guys, give this company, you know, a try. I love this wig. I'm mad I had to cut it to give it a different look, but you know, it's still like cool. But yeah, I'm just going to saturate this hair with some conditioner, and then look, this is very simple, very quick, very easy, very friendly. So yeah, thumbs up to AfricanMall with this beautiful Jerry curly wig. And this is pretty much the finishing look. As you can see, my hair is wet and it's still